We're going to walk through how to leverage a new feature inside of Graphical Scheduler 1.8, which is the introduction of an external business event for whenever a schedule has changed. So in this example, what we're going to do is when a schedule is changed, we want it to post a Teams message. So we have a channel available where we're going to post that message, and we basically want the message to occur whenever the change has taken place. So to get started, we're going to head over to make.powerups.com and we're going to create a new flow. And it's going to be a new automated cloud flow. Inside of here, we're going to look for a Business Central event for when a business event has occurred. And we're going to create that. So inside of here, we're going to choose our environment. In this case, this is my environment name. And now you're going to choose the event. And in this case, we're looking for the event graphical scheduler change occurred. And in my case, I also want to restrict it specifically to my example company. Okay, great. Now, what we want to do is we just want to say whenever this event occurs, for this example, we're just going to post a Teams message. So to do that, we're just going to look for Teams, Microsoft Teams, post, and then we're going to post a message in a chat or a channel. We're going to post as a flowbot, and let's choose our channel. We're going to work through our InsightWorks example team and our graphical scheduler V18 channel, which is this channel over here. Okay. Now inside of here, we just put in our message for what we want it to say. So, hello, to whom it may concern, a schedule has changed. So, inside of here, we can add in some of the content that's available from that business event. So we're going to put in, say, the user made a change to, we can put in this on order, and then we can use context Q1. Context Q1 is usually the document number for whatever it is that you're changing. And we can say the previous allocation was here to the after allocation. Previous time from, and now because we actually get this in as a date time, we do want to use, or we do want to convert that date time to a string. So the easiest way to do that is just with a time zone conversion. So we're just going to convert that time zone. We're going to find that base time, and we should be looking for a before start time. And this is always in UTC, so we're just going to grab that UTC time, destination. In my case, I'm in mountain time, so I'm going to convert that into nice little mountain time for me. And I want that to display as this time pattern. And then I'm just going to call this before time. And then I'm going to create another one, very similar. Convert time zone. We're going to do the same thing, except now we're going to do the after time. So what did it change to? Same thing, we're going to convert from UTC into our mountain time. So we're going to find that mountain time, convert that, and we're just going to put in something a little bit more human friendly. Okay, so let's put in those timestamps into here, and we've got our before time to our after time here. Perfect. Now we're going to save it. All right, so now what we're telling the system is anytime that a schedule has occurred, we're just going to post that message. Now, again, this is a simple example just to get, or to demonstrate how you would connect something inside of Power Automate, but you could obviously put in conditions. Perhaps you only care about, maybe particular customers or maybe a particular order. but this would be an easy way to get notifications for basically any record, including your own custom records. All right, so let's try out this example. So we're going to head back into the graphical scheduler, and we're going to reschedule this. Now we're going to reschedule this from May into perhaps June. So now it's going to reschedule into June. It's making that change for us. And if we head back into Teams, we should now see that event. And we can see that it's coming in as admin from workflows. And we see our message. Hello, to whom it may concern. Admin, that's us, made a change to the production order routing line on the order 101021. We didn't really change the allocation. It's still in Work Center 100. And we changed it from May 24th to June 11. All right. So that's a very simple example of how to use the external business event feature that was introduced in Graphical Scheduler 1.8.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.